StudyMoore.com.
Exercise 12.3, question number 6. The question is, in a circular table cover of radius 32 cm, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. Given that a radius of the circle is 32 cm, radius is equal to 32 cm. The figure is given as, here is a circle. And an equilateral triangle ABC, and this is the design. We have to find out the area of this design. It is ABC and center is O. Since the radius is 32 cm, OB is a radius and the length of OB is equal to 32 cm. Now we are drawing a perpendicular from the center to the chord BC. Let it be OD. Draw OD perpendicular to BC. Now the value of angle OBD is equal to 30 degree. Angle OBD is equal to 30 degree because angle A, angle B, angle C, all the three angles are equal to 60 degrees since triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Value of angle A is equal to 60, angle B is equal to 60 and angle C is also equal to 60 degrees. So angle OBD, OB will bisect angle B and angle OBD is equal to 30 degree. Now the length of OB is known, that means the hypotenuse is known. We have to find out the length of BC. For that, we have to find the length of BD. BD means adjacent side. This is 30 degree and BD is adjacent side. So, we have to take the trigonometric ratio cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to adjacent side BD divided by hypotenuse BO. Cos 30, the value of cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2 and BD divided by BO is equal to 32. Cross multiplying 2 into BD. 2 into BD is equal to 32 root 3. 2 into BD means twice of BD or double of BD. Twice of BD is equal to BC. So the length of BC is equal to, that is BC is equal to 32 root 3 centimeter. We obtained the length of one side of the equilateral triangle. Now we can find the area of the circle. Area of the circle. Area of the circle formula is pi r square. Giving values 22 by 7 into 32 into 32. Radius is 32. It is given in the question. Now, so much centimeter square. This is equal to 22 into 32 into 32 is equal to 1024. Divided by 7 centimeter square, which is equal to multiplying 1024 by 22. 22,528. 22,528 by 7 centimeter square is the area of the circle. Now we have to find out the area of the equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to, formula for finding the area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 a square by 4, which is equal to root 3 into, here A means the length of one side of the equilateral triangle. We got the length as 32 root 3. 32 root 3 into 32 root 3 divided by 4 centimeter square. Now this 4 and 32 is getting cancelled. It is 8. 32 into 8, it is 256 into root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, then 1 root 3 is here, centimeter square, which is equal to 768 root 3 centimeter square. 768 root 3 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of the shaded part, means area of the design. For that we have to subtract the area of the equilateral triangle from the area of the circle. Area of the circle minus area of equilateral triangle will give the area of the design. Area of the design is equal to area of the design is equal to area of circle 22,528 by 7 minus area of equilateral triangle 768 root 3. So much centimeter square. This is the area of the design. First of all, we are finding the area of equilateral triangle and area of circle. To find the area of the equilateral triangle, we need the length of one side of equilateral triangle. To find the length of one side of equilateral triangle, we are finding it with the help of trigonometric ratio cos 30. Cos 30 means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is BD and the hypotenuse is BO. We know the value of BO, so finding BD, twice of BD is equal to 32 root 3. Twice of BD means length of BC. Twice of BD is equal to BC. That means length of one side of equilateral triangle BC is equal to 32 root 3 centimeters. So, we obtained the value of length of one side of equilateral triangle and then we are finding the area. Subtracting this area of equilateral triangle from the area of the circle, we are getting the area of the design as 22,528 by 7 minus 768 root 3 centimeter square is the area of the design. It's a good problem, good type of problem. Note it.